Hi friends, in this video we are going to solve a coding problem which is given in the OpenText interview process. Let's see the question. Print the words followed by the count of the vowels only if the word has T occurring in them. So it's given that they will give you a sentence which contains of words and each word have vowels. We have to print the number of vowels in that word if it contains T. Let's put it in a logical way. Let's take an input string, letter T interests me. So it is a sentence given as an input. So let's build a logic. So our logic is divide the given sentence into each words. See, letter T interests me. Letter is a word, T is a word, interest is a word, me is a word. So second step is check the individual words for vowels and for T. Letter T is a word which containing T 2 times and T is a word which contains only 1 time, and interest contains T twice and me doesn't contain any T. So let's search for vowels. Letter, it contains vowels, T no vowels, interest me, it contains vowel, me containing vowel but not containing T. So the desired output will be letter 2 because it contains E twice and T 2 times, it containing T. T, it doesn't contain any vowel, so 0. Interest me contains T twice, it contains, and it contains E and I. This is Koduri and welcome to my channel.
Easy go.
So let's see the logical part and how the control flows. So my class will be OpenText and I have declared some variables. I had declared a scanner class for the input and I'm storing that input as str. The entire sentence will be in str. For the str1, it takes the sentence and splits where it contains white space, means a space. /s means a white space character. So I am taking an input sentence and breaking it down into individual words. So str contains entire sentence and str1 contains words. It is splitted into words. So I am taking a for loop for each word in str1. str1, it can be assumed as array. So I am taking each word and converting into an array of characters. And I am taking an individual word and measuring its length, and length will be stored in the character. The length of the character will be stored in n, and count is a variable for counting vowels and t count for counting T. I am taking a loop for checking entire word for vowel characters and at the end of each word I am checking has it containing T at least once or not. So if the T count is equal to 0, then I am setting the count of vowels and T count equal to 0, so that I will not print number of vowels containing the word if it doesn't contain T. If it contains T and it contains vowels, I will print the number of vowels in it. At the end of the loop, I am making t count and count equal to 0, so that again the new word will be counted for t and vowels containing it. If t count equal to 0, I am counting it as initializing count equal to 0. If t count not equal to 0 and count is equal to 0, means it containing t but not vowels, I am declaring it as a none. So system output will print as none. So let's get compiling. It compiled. So now I am giving input sentence, letter T interests me. So here is the output. Original string is letter T interests me, letter 2 T space none interest. See, I here given as none, but it the desired output containing as 0. So I will change the none into 0. So let's compile it again and run it again. Okay, now 0 is going very near to t, so I will separate with the tab space. So let's compile it again. So our desired output is achieved. If you are interested to learn more programming, then subscribe to my channel. If you like my video, then hit the like button below, and if you have any suggestions to me, please comment it down below. Thank you for watching.